Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problems with Thunderbolt device detection on ACER Predator 17. This laptop has a Thunderbolt port, and if it has any problems with detecting devices connected to the Thunderbolt port, then you should be in the BIOS, which is entered with the F2 key, and if you don't understand how, you can watch a video on our channel on it. Once that's done, go to Main tab and then find TBT detection gain. If you enable it, then the device will be more sensitive to detecting Thunderbolt devices and will have less problems with detecting them. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.